Boom! In the past 3 months, he made 97 random people millionaires, effortlessly. And the fact you are hearing this means you could be next. 97 people, millionaires.
Hey, Aaron, Chad Evans here. You should have seen my wife's face this morning. Boy, this was worth it. 3 days of torture and busting my balls until I finally took the plunge. 23 hours of relentless yelling until that $3,497 made it into my account. Her face, priceless, my friend. Priceless.
That's right. He took 100 people onto his website, and 97 of them became millionaires. And right now, he's about to do it again. 100 people, 100 millionaires.
To be honest, I almost didn't join Aaron. It just seemed too good to be true. But you know what? I'm so glad I enrolled in Fast Cash Club. Today's day 2 for me, and I made over $3,000 a day, just like you promised. Thank you so much.
All possible because $5.3 trillion are traded online every single day. And his state-of-the-art software skims it, splits it, shares it with everyday random folks just like you.
Hey guys, Jamie Renbeck here, and if you're still undecided about joining Fast Cash Club, take a look at this. That's over $3,000 every day for the past 8 days since I've joined. That's $25,000. Aaron Martin is the real deal, and I think it goes without saying, but he's got my vote all day long.
This opportunity is 100% free, 100% hands-free, and 100% hassle-free. He does everything for you. He sets it up. He credits your checking account. So if you want to change your life starting right now, listen up, because this is strictly limited to 20 people per day. And today is the final day. So if you want in to a guaranteed $3,000 per day for life.
Hey, Aaron, I just joined yesterday, and sure enough, there's $3,188.22 in my account this morning. Thanks so much, my friend. This is life-changing. I mean, you gotta be kidding, right? $3,188.22 on the first day? Man, you rock.
You must secure your place within the next 7 minutes, 27 seconds.
In the past 3 months, I made 97 random people millionaires. 97 random people millionaires. Think about that for a second. 97 people who I didn't know 3 months ago are now millionaires. And right now, it's your turn. So let me ask you this. Do you want to start making over $3,000 per day starting now? $3,000 per day from just 5 minutes setup time. All done for you by my team. I'm talking $3,000 in less than 24 hours from now. $3,000 every day for life in your checking account with only 5 minutes of your setup time. A real 5 minutes from now. Normal people are doing this already, and the process is 100% risk-free. You can enroll and be activated in my Fast Cash Club in under 87 seconds at the end of this short video. That's $3,000 in your checking account within 24 hours. Then $3,000 per day for life. And the fact that you are hearing this means there are still places available. Now listen up, because I'm not here to sell you anything. This is 100% free, so put away your wallet and just pay attention. I will explain exactly why I'm doing this in a few moments. First, here's today's agenda. Like I said, I'm Aaron Martin, and thanks for joining me. I'm taking on 20 people per day over a 5-day period, and today is the final day. 100 people in total, all guaranteed to start making $3,000 per day starting now. Today is day 5. Your last chance. There are 20 spaces open, so please listen very carefully while I explain what you need to do. First, there's one small catch that I need to warn you about. This won't work in 3 certain countries. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. I'll explain which 3 countries in just a few moments. First, let me recap. Yesterday, 20 people took action and joined my program. They got off their ass, took action, and joined this program. 20 people yesterday. And if you take a look at this, every single one of them has made over $3,000 since then. That's an average student income in the first 24 hours of $3,567.88. That's right. Every 20 people who joined me yesterday all made over $3,000 in the first 24 hours. That's at least $3,000 already in their checking accounts since yesterday. That puts them on a fast-track runway to make at least $1 million this year, all done for them by my team, with less than 5 minutes setup time. And if you think this is just another sales pitch, you better think again. Real quick, here are my credentials. I've been making money online for over 4 years, and personally made over $37 million. My students combined have made way more. My checking account this morning looks like this. That's over $31.5 million that I don't even really need. But prior to my success, I was exactly where you are now. 4 years ago, I sat there listening to sales pitch after sales pitch, trying to find the holy grail of online super riches. And just like you, I've been there before. I've worn the same freaking t-shirt. False promises about super trading software that works at the click of a button and dumps millions into your account. Everything you hear day in and day out, it's all crap. So I know exactly what you feel. I know exactly what you're going through. And I know exactly what you need to do next in order to make money like this starting now. That's over $204,618 last month. And the only thing between you and this kind of money right now is misinformation. All the BS products and false sales videos with phony actors and false promises, and just like me before, you have been falling for it every time. Listen, it's time to forget all that crap and focus on something that will deliver. There is good news if you just hear me out right now and ask yourself this. Would you be happy with $3,000 plus a day? If you seriously can answer yes to $3,000 plus a day, you have just stumbled into the promised land. Because I'm about to show you how to make this kind of cash by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, it's time to think about all the new money you're going to have sitting in your checking account. Just think about that for 10 seconds. Tomorrow morning, your checking account is going to see this, or this, or this. And like I said, this money fountain ain't gonna stop. At least $3,000 per day, every day, for life. Think about the new house, the new car, the dream travel that this new money is going to start providing for you. And remember, you don't need to do anything other than enroll at the end of this video. In fact, my team are going to do it for you. It ain't $1 billion a year, but it's the next best thing. $3,000 per day. And right now, my Fast Cash Club is the only thing on the planet that will allow you to start making life-changing money just 5 minutes from now. So, how does 5 minutes setup generate thousands on complete autopilot? And you can see from the dates that this is current. Now, I make all this money and more using my 5-click fast cash trading software that automatically taps into something called the Binary Cash Cloud. My Fast Cash software allows normal people, just like you, to receive an automated cut of the $5 trillion that are traded every single day, connecting a small, insignificant cut of trillion-dollar trades to your checking account. And you need absolutely zero previous experience because the software is 100% automatic and does everything risk-free. Okay. So you want to know why my Fast Cash trading software works? Why it makes crazy amounts of profits when all the others crash and burn? It's because our software has an unfair but 100% legal trading advantage. An advantage that equates to hundreds of thousands of dollars in profits for our members every single day. 4 years ago, I was a systems analyst at the largest search engine on earth. You know the one. My specific role was to improve the algorithm that generated search results. 1, to identify the best results to be displayed for any search term. 2, to improve the speed at which they are displayed. In other words, the best quality information in the fastest possible time. And we're talking nanoseconds, ridiculous fractions of a second that humans can't even comprehend. That's all I did, day in, day out. On the other hand, my brother Jake was making a fortune trading binary options. And it was during a weekend in Florida that the two of us got talking about speed and quality of information in binary options trading. It was like the eureka moment. Jake understood binary trading. I understood speed and quality of data. Put the elements together, and we had free cash. Jake asked if I could write a program that could speed up his binary trades, even by a fraction of a second. You see, Jake knew that a fraction of a second before the rest of the world knew something would amount to millions of dollars in the binary cash cloud over time. Heck yeah! Could I do that? Of course I could. And it only took me a few weeks to get the first prototype running. I simply called it my Fast Cash system. And you really don't need to know how it works, you only need to know that it works. But in case you're wondering why the Fast Cash system has a 98% strike rate while all other binary software crashed and burned for you, it's because of this. My Fast Cash system chooses the best binary trades based on multiple things like IP address, DNS, ping speeds, and internet speeds to ensure you only ever get the best trades no matter where you are in the world. It really was that simple in principle. The tricky part for me was refining what I had created to take it from a few $100 a week to a few thousand a day. And after months of testing and tweaking, I finally did it. The result? The Fast Cash system, a software that trades binary options fractions of a second faster than any other trading software on the planet. I remember the very first time I ran it, eyes fixed to my laptop screen, then within seconds, me and Jake were jumping up and down, hugging, crying, laughing. It was an emotional roller coaster. We were just staring at the screen, watching win after win after win after win. It just went on. Win, win, win. Hundreds of dollars streaming in every minute, thousands every hour. And it still delivers to this day. The only losers here are the markets. And I don't know about you, but I'm not going to lose sleep over that. So that's what gives this trading software its edge. Unparalleled speed and quality of information. And it only takes a few seconds to run it each day. In fact, all my 20 students from yesterday made this cash exactly this way from less than 5 minutes of setup. The binary cash cloud is a new sensation sweeping the internet. Like I said, an online sensation estimated in value at over 5.3 trillion US dollars per day. 5.3 trillion. And it's so easy to make money from this that everyone who joined me yesterday, all 20 of them, made at least $3,000 by today. Since yesterday, in 24 hours, and with just a simple 5-minute setup. Remember, I'm not asking for 1 cent to get access to this. And again, I will reveal why at the end of this short video. Most of the 20 had made their first daily $3,000 before their coffee had finished brewing this morning. And this is a totally brand new, totally automated, totally free way to make money online. Even if you have zero skills and have never made 1 cent online before today. In fact, if you've never made a single cent online, that's even better because the $3,000 you're about to start making daily is going to taste so much sweeter for it. And you can be skeptical. Be very skeptical. It's good that you are skeptical because I know this sounds too good to be true. And if you listen to the end of this short video, not only am I going to explain exactly how this works, I'm also going to tell you why I'm allowing 20 everyday people just like you to join me. Why I'm prepared to help 20 people make at least $3,000 per day on complete autopilot now. The binary cash cloud accounts for over 91% of all binary transactions online. All you need to do is plug your computer or mobile device into it and start making life-changing money. Remember, David Brooks, my personal broker, and his team will do it all for you. So what I'm about to do for the 20 lucky people who join me today is guarantee that you will make $3,000 by this time tomorrow, just like the 20 students who joined me yesterday already have. Like I already mentioned, the binary cash cloud accounts for over 91% of all binary transactions online, and more importantly, payout transactions, otherwise known as winning trades. And the easiest way to monetize that is with a ready-made, money-optimized trading account already plugged into the Binary Cash Cloud. Yesterday, I gave 20 people their very own Fast Cash Club trading account with my personal broker, David Brooks. By this morning, they had each already made over $3,000. Some had made much more. Helen from Tyne & Wear UK made $3,225.28. Gina from Florida made $3,718.59. Ched from Iowa made $3,497.19. Bill Warner from New Jersey made $3,188.22. Matthew from California made a staggering $6,154.35. Ronnie from Holland made $3,581.34. Stevie from Brisbane made $3,957.28. Matthias from Frankfurt made $4,752.34. Jamie Renbeck started early, and he's made over $25,000 in his first 7 days, all by activating their very own Fast Cash Club trading account that I gave them for free just yesterday. You see, despite the Binary Cash Cloud accounting for 91% of all paid-out trades, it's mainly dominated by big corporations. And you have to ask yourself this. If the likes of these can make billions from the Binary Cash Cloud, why shouldn't you be able to grab your slice too? And remember, yesterday's 20 members all made at least $3,000 each in their first 24 hours. And the truth is, you don't even need to know what the Binary Cash Cloud is. Who cares? All you do need to know is that you can make money from it. A lot of money. And like I said, there are 3 countries in the world where this won't work. The first one is Albania, the second one Nepal, and the third one is Cuba. So if you live in one of those countries, I'm sorry, but this won't work. If you are anywhere else, it's great news, but you must move fast and do this. Step 1. Grab your piece of the Binary Cloud with my free cloud-optimized fast cash trading software. Step 2. Let my personal team of brokers monetize it for you 100% free. Step 3. Sit back and watch your checking account explode on autopilot. Now here's the million-dollar question. Why am I sharing this with you for free? Okay, you may have noticed earlier that I purposely blacked out this area to the right of the screen. Well, you see, every time you make money from your auto trades here, I get 1% on top. That means you get 100% of what your auto trades make, and I make my 1% on top of that. So you get to keep every single last cent of your 100%. How cool is that? We both win. Now, the other reason I'm only letting 20 people in today for free is because tomorrow this baby is going to hit the marketplace at $997 setup plus $59 per month. You can see here, the doors will open to the public tomorrow on my main sales website. $997 setup plus $59 per month. Act now, and you are one of the last 20 to get it 100% free. And it gets even better, because if you move now, take action right now, my personal broker, David Brooks, and his team will set everything up for you. And you only need to pay them a fraction of a percent of what you will be making each month. So if, for example, you make $97,000 this month, you only pay my broker around $250. That leaves you $96,750 net profit. So let my personal broker, David, and his team set up your first guaranteed trades right now. The $3,000 will hit your chosen checking account tomorrow. This is strictly limited to 20 people today. And today is the last day. So if you want to become part of the fastest growing income machine online, you must take action right now. Click the link next to the video to secure your space. If you can still see the link, there may still be some of the 20 places left. Click it now and secure your spot. I'll see you on the next page and explain exactly what you need to do.